Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take you guys through my Robinhood portfolio update. Now I haven't technically done one before, but I have shown you guys my portfolio in like some tutorial videos and whatnot and reviews. So I'm going to actually show you guys where my portfolio is today, how it's performing, and all the good stuff that comes with investing. So let's go ahead and get started. I got El Presidente here with me, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now, if by chance this is your first video with us, my name's Dennis, and we talk about investing videos like this to really help you build wealth and become more financially independent. So subscribe down today. El Presidente says to do so. And you can also tap on that bell if you want to join in on the conversations when these new videos come out. So let's go ahead and load up the app here. Now, I prefer to do it on my phone here. You can technically also do the web browser if you wanted to, but I just find that the app works a little bit smoother. So let's go ahead and kind of check out and see how our portfolio is doing. So our total investment right now is $265.76. As you can see, we are down today by $6.75, meaning that we are down by 2.48%. Of course, it changes in real time here. For the week, we are down $1.76, which is 0.066, or actually 0.66, not 0.66, sorry about that. And then for the month, we are actually up $5.62, which is 2.16%. And then our 3-month, we're up $58.46. Thank you so much, Microsoft, and we'll get into that here in just a second. And that's a 28.19% increase. The 1-year marker kind of is a little off because I've gotten quite a few free stocks. So it doesn't really mathematically work out properly. Which, as you can see here, we do have a free stock from Sebastian. So thank you, Sebastian, for signing up with Robinhood. We're going to open that up here in just a little bit, so make sure you stick around. If you want to get a free stock yourself, make sure you click on the referral link down below. You and I both get a free stock. Let me know what you guys get. El Presidente and I are curious. So here are the different companies that we have in this portfolio. Now, just full disclosure, this is not anything serious. I have an investing for retirement account with Vanguard. I have my M1 Finance for like dividend investing. This is just for fun, kind of testing some things out. So you can see here, the first one we have is Ford, currently trading at $9.85 with the ticker number F. We're down a little bit today on it. I have 5 shares, which the equity in it is $49.25. 18.87% of the portfolio. Not good if you're trying to be very diversified, but again, this is kind of just for fun. My average cost is $8.62, so if I bought it now, it would of course increase that. They are having a high dividend yield at $7.84. And right now the analysts are kind of saying buy and hold. So I'm personally a fan of Ford. I know they can go through rough times, especially during recessions, but I think in the long haul, they're good. They're a pretty good company. And then before going on, I just want to make a disclaimer out there. You know, I do highly recommend you do your own research when it comes to companies. Don't invest in things just because you see them here on this channel or other people's channels. Make sure you research or talk to a CPA. With that being said, let's continue. I did earn some dividends here in the past. Back on June 3rd, 2019, we made 75 cents, which was awesome. We had 5 shares, which is what we still have today. So 15 cents per share, not bad. Making 75 cents, I like that a lot. So that's that first share that we have. Next up is going to be NRZ. Now I actually have NRZ into my M1 Finance portfolio as well. I like them quite a bit. They are definitely a lot riskier than other stocks here. They're currently down 37 cents. I also have 5 shares similar to Ford in this one. The equity is $78.20. My average cost is $16.78. So right now they're down about $1.10 from my dollar cost average. So if I bought in today, it would actually kind of lower that a little bit more. So this is 29.96% of the portfolio. They do have a very high yield, which can be very dangerous, by the way. Just so you know, I don't go with these just because of the high dividends. But this one is 14.07. All the analysis are saying buy. I've read quite a bit into this company prior to buying the first share, and I've been enjoying them so far. And then the last time I got a dividend was April 26th. I had only 3 shares, so now I got 5. I got 50 cents a share, so I made $1.50. So that means the next time I get the dividend, which they did announce already, is also 50 cents. I'm going to be making $2.50, which is awesome. And that's going to hopefully be able to, put that back into future funds, whether it's this one or Ford or whatever I prefer. So that's going to be that one there. And then the last one I have is actually with Microsoft. Now, full disclosure, Microsoft was actually a free stock that I got from somebody signing up. So most of the time when signing up or somebody, getting the free stock, it's usually those like super cheap, $3 stocks. I actually got this one from a free stock. So that was super exciting. And I got it actually around like $112. So I don't have an average cost on this one, as you can see. It's 51.18% of the portfolio because it's so massive in its equity. And then of course it does have a dividend yield, which I did get paid a dividend for, which is awesome. I'll show you guys here in just one sec. So I got paid on June 13th, 46 cents into this account because I had one share, which again, I got for free. I could have sold it if I wanted to, but I decided to hold on to Microsoft because I actually am a pretty big fan of owning some shares into Microsoft. So that was really cool. Yeah, as you can see there, I got it for $112.60 back then. So that was awesome. They were doing really well up until literally today as I'm filming this. As you can see, they kind of went down. But that usually happens when a company starts hitting their 52-week highs and goes well above that, and then it kind of starts tapering down a little bit to kind of correct itself. So overall, those are going to be the 3 funds that I am currently invested in with Robinhood. As I mentioned, if you stuck around, let's go ahead and open up this free stock. Hopefully it's something like the Microsoft stock that we got before. Gives us these 3 options. I generally just stick to the middle one. I know it's all just generic, like once you hit that free stock thing, it's already generated. I don't think this has like any which way. I think it's just there for show. So we're gonna go ahead and click the middle one and let's see what we got. Looks like it's kind of glitching out on me. So we got Groupon. So Groupon, now we have 1 share of them for $3.41. So thank you again so much, Sebastian, for signing up. If you want a free stock, like I mentioned, I'll have that link in the top of the show notes. You can go ahead and click on that. We both get a free stock. I definitely want to hear from you guys what you got for free. If you use my referral or if you use somebody else's, what was it that you got? Super curious because like I mentioned, Microsoft was like the biggest one I've gotten. Most of the time it's these Groupon ones. So with Groupon, I will probably hold on to that stock for the 3 days that are required for me to hold on to it as a free stock. Afterwards, I will most likely sell it, which I think will bring up my buying power, to around $7-8. And then I can probably just buy another share of Ford or, maybe pay a little bit into it and buy some more NRZ since I really, really like them. So we'll see how that goes. I'll update you guys in the future so that way you guys can check it out and see, how it's all going. So let's actually go ahead and take a quick look at Groupon and see how they've been doing. So the last day they've gone down, just 3 cents. The last week they have been down 2.57%, which is 9 cents. The last month, almost similar. Last 3 months has been down 4 cents, 1.16%. And then the last year, they've been down $1.07, which is 23.88%. And then last year is down $2.82, which is down 45%. So definitely not the best in the world there. Not a big fan of this company, just in general. I personally had some issues with them trying to buy stuff. So I'm definitely gonna sell this, as I mentioned, once the 3 days hits, because once you get a free stock, if you don't know, you have to wait 3 days before you can sell it. It makes this the 1.29% of my portfolio. So we'll definitely be selling this off. We don't even get any dividends from it. And then that money will go to different stocks that I prefer and that I would want to actually be a part of. So yeah, not a big fan of Groupon. Let me know if you guys enjoy Groupon, but I think most people that have Groupon on Robinhood probably got it for free. So not the best in the world, at least in my opinion. So I hope you guys enjoy seeing my Robinhood portfolio, even on the downturns, because that can happen. And I want to share those times with you guys because I don't only want to show, when the market's doing well. I want to show you guys that even when the market's not doing so well, it's still okay. It's still good to invest. You can dollar cost average, which is a really good thing for the long-term investors as well. and that over the long haul we can see where these portfolios take us. So let me know what you guys think of when it comes to my Robinhood portfolio. I want to hear from you guys in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content on the channel, check out some of these videos I have right over here. And if you made it this far into the video, El Presidente says that you should probably hit that like button and maybe even subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys in the next video.